Let's explore generative AI capabilities and discover how this technology creates entirely new content across different formats. Generative AI acts as a smart helper that learns patterns from data and creates new things, combining intelligence with creativity. The core capabilities branch into four main areas: text generation for writing, image generation for visual art, audio generation for music, and video generation for animations. Beyond these primary functions, additional capabilities include code generation for programming, translation services, and language learning support. Text generation powers chatbots that write emails. Image generation creates pictures like cats with sunglasses, and audio generation composes music through specialized apps. Video generation brings cartoon creation to life, code generation provides programming assistance, and translation apps serve as powerful language tools. Key vocabulary includes generative, pattern, translate, creative, and capability, essential terms for understanding AI discussions. The AI workflow starts by learning patterns, then processes data, and finally generates output. That's how new content comes to life. Education, art, communication, and technology fields all benefit from practical applications of generative AI in meaningful ways. Simply put, generative AI means AI that can create new things, like text, images, or music. Language learners can use these tools to practice English, build creativity, and improve communication skills simultaneously.